All right, here we go, consumer math. The question is, what's in a budget? So our chapter 2 is talking all about budgeting, if you can see in the activity we've been doing the last couple of days. So a budget is a plan for what to do with your income. A budget consists of 3 different parts. The first part is what money you bring in. That's your income. The second part is your expenses. So expenses we talked about in the last chapter, what money you're spending, whether they be fixed or variable. So remember, we talked about those in chapter 1. The third part is your savings. So after you get your income and you spend the money you have to spend with your expenses, you then have savings. So we're going to discuss those 3 things, and we're going to do a couple math problems with them today. All right, let's suppose that you need an apartment. Should you live alone or with a roommate? Look at your expenses to help you decide that, okay? What are your other expenses? So in this problem, Gloria's income is $1,250 a month. She lives with a roommate. She splits these expenses, with rent being $880, phone being $40, utilities $128, and cable TV costing $32. What is Gloria's share of these expenses? With that being said, we need a combined total. Once we have that total, we're able to divide it evenly amongst both people, Gloria and her roommate. So we're going to go ahead and add the amount of money it's going to cost her for rent. In order to find out what Gloria's share of the expenses are, we're going to add these numbers up. 8 and 2 make 10, carry the 1. Add up all those numbers, you get 18, carry the 1. And 8 plus 1 plus 1 is 10. That's $1,080. Now, in order to figure out what her share is, we're going to divide that by 2. 2 goes into 10 5 times, which is 10. Subtract gives you a 0. Carry your 8. 2 goes into 8 4 times. And then you're going to 2 times 4 is 8. Subtract gives you 0. Carry your 0 down. And we still have that place value. So 2 goes into 0 0 times. So Gloria's share for your expenses are $540. The second question we have is, how much does Gloria have left for other expenses? Well, she made $1,250 for her income. She has to spend $540 for her rent. And then when we subtract this, 0 minus 0 is 0, 5 minus 4 is 1, and borrow from the 1, 12 minus 5 is 7. So she has $710 left for her savings. So then just make sure these are both word problems. We want to put them into words. So we're going to have Gloria's expenses were $540 for her rent, split up between her and her roommate, and Gloria's savings are $710 after she spends on rent. Thanks for today. You guys need to finish up your page 23 in section 2-1. You also need to, and do all 1 through 7, you also need to complete worksheet number 11 as well as exercise number 6. Good luck, and we will see you in class tomorrow. And you will have time in class to work on those problems tomorrow. So have a great night. We'll see you later.